Hello and welcome to this video where I will show you how to create your own server on Discord. So I assume that you already have Discord downloaded and installed, and if so, when you open Discord and you go down to the Discover view, it's going to look like this. Now if you want to create a server, you can click this plus sign, which is called Add a Server. Then you get a couple of options for creating your server. You can either create your own or you can use one of a couple of different templates. One is for gaming, one is for friends, and one is for a study group. For this example, I'm just going to create my own. And then it'll ask me, do you want to make it for a club or a community or just for me and my friends? And I'm just going to choose for me and my friends for this example. Then it's going to select a server name, which is based on my Discord name. And then it just adds server at the end. So I'm just going to go with that. And then here you can add an image as well if you want to do that at this time, or you can do it later. So now you have created your server. You can invite friends. You can click here and invite different people. Or you can add an icon, upload an image for the server. You can send messages, add applications. And then on the left side, you have a text channel called General. And then you have a voice channel called General. Now, the voice channel is where you'll talk to people. If multiple people are in the same voice chat, you're just going to be able to talk to each other, just like a phone call. So if you double click here, and you join the voice chat, and you know it's a voice channel because it has this audio symbol right here, while the text chat has this hashtag symbol. So now I'm in the voice chat. If there was someone else here, we could talk together. There is, however, a way to talk even when you're in, a way to write text in the voice channel. So if I just double click the voice channel again after I joined it, and I go to the three dots up to the upper right, and I click more, I click show chat, this bubble right here. I click that, and there's actually a way to write text in the voice channel, so other people in the voice channel will be able to see this text. But typically, you'll only want to use the text channels to write. So you can just right here, and you can have a conversation with everyone that's in here. So a couple different things you may want to do. I mean, the main one would be to invite people. So what you probably would want to do is invite people with a link. So to get to the link, what I did was hover over either the text or voice channel and select create invite. So create invite, and then you can just copy the server link. You either highlight it and Control C, or right click and copy, or you can just click the copy button right there. Now this default setting is for a link that expires after 7 days. If you click edit invite link, you can change that. So you can change the expiration for the link. So if you select 30 minutes, the link will no longer work after 30 minutes. So you can also make it never expire, which is generally what people call a permalink, which means a permanent link. But the default, as I said, is the 7 days. And then you can also select limits on how many people that can be invited with this link before it expires. So if I have no limit, there's no limit to how many people can use the link to join. But if I, for example, select 100 users, after 100 users use the link, then it will no longer work for new people. So I'm just going to cancel. I'm going to use the default, click copy, and then I could go, in chat, in the game, or wherever I want to communicate that to someone that I want them to be invited, maybe a direct message in Discord, and I send them the link, and they'll click this link, and they'll automatically join this channel, and they'll be here in that channel. That's really the basics. You can do the same for the voice channel, create a link. The link will be different, from here and from here. It's not the same. This ends with RK, and this link ends with UHV. So you can see it's not the same. If you want to go to the voice channel and go directly to the chat, you can also use this icon. That was as an alternative to double clicking here and then clicking the bubble right here. So that will be just clicking open chat that way. And then let's say I don't like this server. Actually, I changed my mind. I don't want to have it anymore. You'll click here on this chevron signal, chevron sign. Go to server settings. Scroll to the bottom to delete server. And you have to type in the name of the server. So Arcane Vortex Shadowlight. So I typed in the name of the server, and now I will be able to delete it. And so it's deleted. That's it. Thank you.